Hi, my name is Jenny Brackett Brooks, and I am here to tell you all about the Movie Academy competition. It is sponsored by Chattahoochee Flint RESA, located in Ellaville, Georgia, and it is available for all students in the state of Georgia. It is an annual film competition, begins with a kickoff in October for coaches, teachers training, and it ends with an Academy Award ceremony in March for, as I said, all students K through 12 in Georgia. It asks them to create a 3-minute film on an annual theme. For example, this year's theme is Somewhere in Time. Last year's theme was Heroes. So anything around that theme, which allows for creativity for the students. They have regional and state awards for the student groups, and they also offer professional development credits for the teachers for each group. It requires film teams of 3 to 8 students with a $50 fee per team for entry into the competition. The movie components are the movie, the credits, the sources, and the academic standards at the end, and all of this must be under 3 minutes. They must also adhere to the rules of digital citizenship with regards to giving credit where credit is due and all of the standards used when they make their film in the technology. The benefits for the gifted, number one, first and foremost, it is a project-based learning activity, which is wonderful for the gifted. Filmmaking itself is a collaborative art, and it allows students to express creativity and talents while creating a technical product. The collaborative nature forces students to work together while pulling in diverse personal skills of each group member to artistically tell a story. If that does not scream gifted interest, I don't know what does. It also differentiates based on interest, ability, and process so that students can each shine in whatever area they're working for the film. It's a unique demonstration of the students' mastery of standards. They also can win regional and state awards, which are great additions to resume and college applications. And then finally, they get the benefit of professional judges with backgrounds in video productions using a standard-based rubric. For more information, anybody should reach out to georgiamovieacademy.org. I think this will be awesome, especially in the pull-out classroom. Thank you so much.